If you're looking for a practical, step-by-step way to organize all your personal tasks and actually keep track of what matters, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm guiding you through how to set up and use Monday.com for your personal tasks in 2025. Whether you're juggling home chores, work projects, or just trying to get life a bit more organized, by the end, you'll have a personalized system that makes task management easy and keeps you motivated. All right, let's jump right in. First up, setting up your board. Head over to Monday.com and create a new board. You'll get the option to pick a template. Now, if you're new, the Weekly Task Manager template is a nice starting point since it covers most basics and gives you an immediate layout to work with. But if you want full control over how your tasks are laid out, feel free to build it from scratch. Once you've picked, give your board a clear, helpful name like Personal Tasks, something simple that's easy to spot whenever you log in. Now, let's customize your columns. This is where your board starts to feel personal. Think about how you'd like to track your workflow. The most common columns are status, due date, and priority. The status column is the backbone. It lets you see at a glance where every task stands: to do, in progress, or done. Imagine this like sticky notes on a physical wall that you shift around as work gets done. Due date helps you stay ahead of deadlines. For example, maybe you've got bills to pay or meetings you absolutely cannot miss. And priority gives you a simple way to spot tasks that need immediate attention versus ones that can wait. Feel free to adjust or add other columns if you have specific needs. The beauty of Monday.com is that it's super flexible. Next, you'll want to add and organize your tasks. On Monday.com, these are called items. Start filling in tasks. Don't worry about getting it perfect right away. You can always come back and tweak details. Click on any task to open its details. This is where you add subtasks, upload important files like receipts or documents, or jot down helpful notes. Say you're planning a trip and need to renew your passport. You can add subtasks like fill out renewal form and schedule photo appointment right inside the main task. This helps you break things down and avoids overwhelm. Grouping is absolutely key when you've got a variety of personal responsibilities. Create groups like home, work, errands, and future projects. This is similar to having folders for different parts of your life, so you're never staring at one endless list. You can easily move tasks between these groups as things come up, just by dragging and dropping. If something changes or shifts priority, it's no big deal. You can instantly reorder these to match your day. Now, let's talk about managing your tasks and actually visualizing your progress. Updating a task's status is as simple as clicking the status column or dragging the task to a new group and watching the dashboard update in real time. This is incredibly satisfying, almost like crossing things off a paper checklist, and seeing things move from to-do to done is great motivation. Monday.com's board views are powerful, especially for visual thinkers. You can switch to Kanban view and see all your tasks as cards you shuffle around. Perfect if you love organizing with Trello-style boards. Or, if you prefer to see upcoming deadlines, flip over to calendar view so every due date is laid out visually. Don't worry if it feels overwhelming at first. Try out a couple different views until you find what makes sense for your workflow. And that's really it. You now have a personalized, visual setup to get your personal tasks on track and stay organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tap the like button. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want more tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new Monday.com board.